These are 3D now, guys. So, nag-watch na siya na dito sa aming room ng TV. Oh, nandiyan na siya. Nandiyan na siya sa kanyang daddy. So, ako nagising na, guys. At magluto na ako ng kanilang mga breakfast. Gusto nila ng eggs. Ayan, o, diba? 3D, guys. So, tingnan natin ang weather sa outside. Kakagising lang namin. Ayan ang chadi ko. Tulog pa siya sa kanyang room. Si Shana pa lang ang nag-wake up. We check the. Oh. Wala din init, guys. Ginoo ko, Diyos ko. Kailan pa magkastampisaw tong mga anak ko. Tapos nag-rain pa, guys. They have a raining day. They have a raining on this day, di ay. It's a rainy day, guys. So, look. Same routine lang, guys. Magluto lang tayo ng egg para sa breakfast ng dalawa. So, din ang breakfast namin, guys. Same lang. Ako, apple at saka isang bread at lagyan ko nito. Sana ito lang din. So, yan lang. Mabusog na kami nito, guys. So, now, guys, let's eat. Nag-video ko, guys, kasi wala akong hindi ako busy ngayon. Kasi maulan sa labas. Wala kaming planong lumabas. Iwan, kailan kami makalabas kasi ulan. Mabilis ha. Ito lang, guys, isang bread lang ang kinakain ko na breakfast. Tapos ito din mix. Apple. She is shocked because I put here also the star margarine. I put her also inside. Now I drink fresh milk with choco. The color is this. Is like my color na. Choco milk. Lang. Eating breakfast.
Nag-do aquarium?
Huh?
Nag-do aquarium?
Aquarium? No?
Oh, raining. Nag-do outside?
How can we go there? It's raining. He said we go aquarium then. How can we go? You shower on the rain. Much better I have. It's okay, I shower in the rain, but I have a red tide. I can't. Next, guys, is the one apple a day to mix the doctors away. Ito yung last ko na breakfast, guys. Minsan banana ang kainin ko. Minsan din apple. So, punta daw kami ng aquarium ngayon, sabi ng sawa ko. Kasi siya lang nakakaalam dito kung ano ang mga galahan dito. So, yeah, sweet apple, guys. Nangulang ko bet ng ano ko sa mga plate ba ligpit Kasi punta daw kami sa labas. Sana. Do it faster na siya na kay Wiwok. So, papunta kaming aquarium, guys. Sabi ng asawa ko, punta kami ng aquarium at nag-car kami kasi maulan. At saka hindi man pwede ito lakarin ang layo man, 40 minutes to drive man di ay ito. Akala ko lalakarin. Nagda-drive kami, guys, at siya, yan, umuulan. So, yun, nag-sweater yung lola ninyo kasi umuulan kaya. Baka mapuno ako sa panuhot nito pag hindi ako mag-sweater dito. Yan, guys. Asang sea? Where is the sea? Yan, guys. Dinadaanan namin dito, guys. O, din. May water sea dito. Yung mga boat dito, guys. O, tingnan mo. Dumadaan kami dito papunta sa aquarium. So, malayo pala tong aquarium, guys, na pinupuntahan namin. Tapos, hindi lang ako nag-video ng nag-video lang ako pag may magandang tanawin. O, diba? Yan ang dinadaanan namin dito, guys. Maraming water sea dito sa area na to, guys. Sa iniistihan namin, maraming water sea. Full of water sea. Kaso hindi ka lang makatampisaw kasi sobrang ginaw. Yung kigol mo ay makublan. Wow, yan. Here na, guys, look. It's the Grand Aquarium, guys, here in San Malo. So, we're here. We go inside, guys. So, look, ang daming tao. Guys, naglinya pa kami dito, guys. Ang taas ng linya. We are inside na, guys. Look. Look, guys. They have a shark here. Look, guys. Any kinds of crabs. There's a crabs, guys. There's a crabs here. I don't know what kind of crab is this. Look. So guys, it's a fish.
Il y a autre chose, faut voir. Il y a une étoile de mer géante.
Ito din fish tension. Ito din fish tension. Yan, may malaki. Yan, ang dami dito. Guys, ang init there, kuya. Where did we go, oy? Ito, guys, may mga dito. Isa balala. Balila, siya na. Lapu-lapu. Isa lapu-lapu fish. Ang laki, oy. It's so big. This one is a lapu-lapu. Lapu-lapu fish. Tao doon sa may fish, guys, sa aquarium. Tapos hindi namin nakita lahat kasi ang daming naglinya. Tapos na nagsampid na doon sa loob. Oh, dito, guys, nandito kami, may mga turtles. Daming mga isda. Daming mga isda dito. Yan si Shana. Nandito kami sa malaking aquarium, guys. Malaking aquarium. Round to siya. Round aquarium. Oh. Yan, Shana. Look. Woo! Shana. They are enjoying. It's a big aquarium, guys. Huh? It's a big aquarium, guys. Oh. Round aquarium. Yan, dumaan ang turtle. No, nag-video na si Shana.
Just wait.
Aquarium to, guys, oh, di ba? From there, turn. Yan. Yan, guys. Ang aquarium dito. Nandito na naman si Shana, nag-watching sa mga fish from the top until here down. Oh, mayroong ano, oh. Look, Shana. This one, the black one. Oh, Mamo, boy. Si Bibila. Bibila daw, Bibila.
Regarde, ceux-là sont beaux.
This one is the colorful fish.
Est-ce que tu as vu le bleu qui tombe?
Hello.
Des poissons clowns, les Nemo.
They have a sea urchin, guys. Look like they have an ice. My son see they have an ice though.
Non.
The other one also, another type of fish, colorful fish. O, diba? Mayroong kuan, mayroong fish na parang sa, ano ba yun? Ano bang tawag nito? Anong klaseng fish na to? Diba? Isa? We have this in the Philippines. This fish. This one, guys. Parang mga bantul na, guys. Bantul na isda. Kaya siya na, di have kuhan siya na? Di have wings? Now siya na. You like that? Oy, don't bump your head. Guys, the fish is stuck na inside. And you have another one there. The small one. So, ito din, mga colorful fish, guys. This, guys. This fish is look like a snake. They live on the sand. Look, it's very small. We have another one also here. Say urchin there, guys. You know, you can see there. What's the name of this? Ostrich? Ostrich? What's the name of this fish? This is the medicine for the, what do you call that? Asthma, daddy, this one. The medicine of the asthma. Dia mama, dia bibi. From there, going here. So, they are here now. This one, they have another type of fish also. Aquarium na lang. So, mayroong kitong. Parang kitong. Ito yung aquarium nila. Ayan. Malaking mga fish. Ayan ah. Marami din yan. So big, guys. This fish is very big. The black one. Ito guys, yung ano dito. Sayo-sayo na siya na oh. She dance. That guys. We make a line here. We're right here guys. Yan. Papasok kami sa ilalim. Yay. See? You have a chair here, 4 chairs is enough for us. Yan, sila. Now guys, we are inside this, we right here, and then you can see they have a fish. Yay! Shana, you go here, Shana. You stand, you look the fish, Shana. Look guys, they have so many fish here. Wow, so many. We have a big one. This one. Nag-ride kami nito guys para makita na mo ang underwater. Oh, maraming mga fish oh. Look siya na, di ba? Maraming mga fish. Oh, so many here oh. So many here. Ala. Ang dami pala nito eh sa. Ala, may malaki oh. You have a big, shark na may heart. It's not a shark.
No.
Yan guys. Yan, may mga isda dito guys. Sa underwater. Sa aquarium nila. Big fish. Yan, may mga fish oh, na colorful fish oh.
Bon, ça c'est un brochet. On aurait pu en pêcher aussi dans le...
It's very big.
Pas de poisson.
The big one. Oh. So many also guys. This side. May mga fish din dito oh. Diba? Sa ilalim. Andito sa taas. Yan ang view dito sa taas. May mga fish din. Oh. Like that siya na. Oh, may mga ano din na fish. Fish pan na color. Mga color. Fish guys is allowed to touch. You can touch that. You touch that siya. So we eat Burger King guys. We finished in the aquarium at more than 12:33. So it's time for lunch now. So we eat that inside the Burger King. Because our tiny house is very far. More than 40 minutes to drive. Eating the order guys. Shana said it's gone daw. She's hungry na daw. And exactly 1 o'clock now. You eating the order. Order namin guys. Dumating na. Dumating na guys. Oh, ito na. Ito na lahat oh. Yung order na siya na. Kumakain na siya na. Ay, gutom na daw siya. No, let's eat.
Can see the big boat?
Yan. We have a big boat guys. We turn back to the tiny tiny house. We are finished on the Grand Aquarium in San Malu. So we go back to the tiny house. So this is the may barkong pasahero. So yan, parang ano dito, parang port. Iwan ko ano dito. Basta San Malu to na lugar guys. Maraming mga boat. So guys, nandito kami sa chateau. Chateau daw sabi ng asawa ko. Dito kami dumadaan. Paano kami dumadaan dito? No? So, wala mang daanan dito guys. Iwan. Ha?
Sold.
Walang daanan. We cannot go here. Isa? Sa batong malalim. Yan guys, hindi kami makapasok dyan. Iwan, saan dito ang daanan dyan? Kasi close man dyan. Yung chateau guys na pinuntahan namin doon. Tapos iwan kung saan ang daanan nito. This is an old chateau man guys. Sabi ng asawa ko. Chateau do Galdo. Bienvenido o Chateau do Galdo. You know the chateau there I with you. At di namin alam kung saan kami dumaan doon. Yung mga boat guys, wala nang tubig. Naano sila si Uta. Mga boat. Guys, nag-cook lang ako ng pasta guys. At lagyan ko siya ng shrimp at chicken. Lagyan natin ng black pepper guys. Black pepper. Finish guys is the oyster sauce. Mix lang natin guys. Lagyan natin ng parsley leaves guys. Parsley leaves. Mix lang natin. Guys, ilagay ko ang cream. Guys, ilagay ko na ang pasta. May pasta is cooked now guys. So, ilagay ko dito. Now So guys, my creamy pasta is cooked now. And it's very yummy, guys. So this is the dinner of my husband and Shana. Ito yung dinner namin, guys. So may natira pang barbecue kahapon. So kakainin namin yan kasi sayang. At yun, guys, Shana. At yan, pasta. Pasta sa asawa ko. Actually, chicken din. Shana, shrimp and chicken. At may salad din, guys. So, yan ang kainin namin, guys, sa dinner. Hindi kami bumibili ng pagkain sa labas. O, diba? Napasave kami dito.